Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to edit safe zone in Stalker 2. Editing safe zone will allow UI elements to be displayed safely on your screen, so for example if your display has overscan, it may cut the edges of the screen so you can change the safe zone so everything fits. To do that, go to Options, then go to Display and find Edit Safe Zone. Click on it, and now you can see that here I have these corners. I can use the arrows on my keyboard to adjust them. Now they fit in my safe zone, so I can click on Apply, Escape to close this message, then Escape to go back and Escape to go back. Then F, save changes, and escape to close the message. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.